beyond banking, ecosystem strategy, super application, embedded banking, all these concepts aim the very same goal, which is the banks would like to reach out and engage customers far beyond the traditional banking services. Realmonitor is a unified integrated mobile platform which integrates all the services and service providers around the housing ecosystem journey, including listing sites offerings, legal advisors, electricians, plumbers, interior designers, and all the others under the bank's trusted umbrella. So whenever the customer would like to find, finance, renovate, sell, valuate a home, or they would like to find a reliable service provider on their location, electrician, plumber for renovation, for example, they will find a turnkey solution in the bank's housing ecosystem mobile platform. So far, more than 150,000 home buyer families downloaded the application and rated this application 4.8 stars out of 5, which made this application one of the most popular with the highest rating, even in Google Play Store and even in Apple Play Store.